In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF in WPS Office. To get started, open WPS Office on your computer. Once the app is running, look over to the left-hand panel and click Open. This will bring up your file browser where you can navigate to the PDF file you want to work on. Find the correct document, select it, and then click Open, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Give WPS Office a moment to load the file completely before moving on. After the PDF opens, the next thing you need to do is click Edit Content. This is the main option that allows you to make direct changes to the PDF instead of just viewing it. Once you enter editing mode, you'll be able to interact with the document much more freely. At this point, you can begin editing the text inside the PDF. For example, you can click into existing text and make changes where needed. If you need to add new text, you can do that as well. And if something is no longer needed, you can delete it. This is especially useful for updating forms, correcting information, or making quick revisions without having to recreate the document from scratch. You can also adjust the appearance of your text. WPS Office lets you change the font, size, and color, which can help you match the original formatting of the document or make certain sections stand out more clearly. If the text appears inside separate text boxes, you can move or resize those boxes to better fit the layout of the page. This gives you more control over how the final document looks. If your PDF needs visuals, you can insert images directly into the file. That can be helpful for adding logos, screenshots, signatures, or other graphic elements. In addition to that, WPS Office also gives you options to highlight content and add annotations, which is great if you're reviewing a document, leaving notes, or calling attention to important sections. There are also more editing tools available beyond these basics. Take a moment to explore the tabs on the toolbar, since WPS Office includes additional options that can help depending on the type of edits you need to make. Even if you're new to PDF editing, the layout is fairly straightforward, so it should be easy to find the tools you need. And that's it. That's how to edit a PDF in WPS Office. Once you've made your changes, just review the document carefully to make sure everything looks right.